How to see Snapchat's watch history. Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can check your Snapchat's watch history. First thing you have to do is head over to Snapchat. Now once you land on the Snapchat's homepage, tap on the profile at the top left and then simply head over to settings. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down a bit until you find the option to download your data. So you'll be able to find it your own information. So you're able to see this option called My Data. Just tap on it. And from here, you can download all of these available data. So it could be your chat history, your support history, shopping, memories, and other media. So just select the ones that you want to see. Don't forget the chat history because all of your snaps and then chats will be saved here. So make sure this one is ticked. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down and then tap on next. Now select the date. So let's say if I want my data for last month, I'm going to select last month and then scroll down. Make sure you confirm your email address. This is where you'll be getting your data and then tap on submit. Now once your data is available for download, you should get a notification on your email and you can easily download and watch your history from there. That's it for this video guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.